Hey, this is ESM Banking right here, and this is a bike check I'm doing. This is stolen heist right here. So here it is. I have a stolen seat. It has stolen on here. It is not a built-in seat post. I have a 25 tooth right here in the front and a 9 tooth in the back. The pedals are thermite. I don't know how to say it. It's thermite. Thermalite. Oh yeah, thermalite. There you go. Yeah. I have a stolen headset right here. I have a stolen bars. They're big boys. It's funny because it says it here too. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is big boy right there. I also got stock stolen forks. I have double wall rims and they're stolen. Tioga tires. Take about 85 PC to 100. And like basically that's my bike check right there, guys. Thanks. Just comment, rate, and subscribe.